Even say Amos crown, you won't do tennis ball. By me, gentleman like me.
I will hold it and be holding it.
No, I don't like it. I want to penetrate. So you didn't come to my class, right?
So you know I'm not good at science.
You are not good at science? So you are supposed to come to class always. You are missing class. How can you be good?
Sammy, I know what you have been doing, you know. Amma has been telling me. Amma Dallas has been telling me what you've been doing to them.
Amadola has tell you
Yes.
what have I done?
So you know what I'm talking about. Sammy, you have to pass me some more.
You want to pass?
Pass me some.
So what did she tell you?
She told me what you have been doing to them. That's why Amma is always the third in class. Because Amma doesn't know it.
She doesn't know anything.
She doesn't know anything.
It's very true. She don't know anything. But sometimes, you know, you have to scratch somebody's back and the person too should scratch your back. That's how the world is. Even when you go to the parliament, that's how.
But you
The
say
presidency.
I'm take Amma. Amma cry. Me, look at me. Look at me.
No.
Nice
It's
girl.
not about looking at you aspect. We are looking at the office that they will be giving to you.
Hey, someone must be giving you more offers.
Yes!
Baby, I've been bringing you biscuit toffee, calipo.
Oh, I mean, biscuit toffee is nothing to me. You know, as a man,
Hey.
you have to eat with your strength. Untini. It's like,
So you
so
said, what
what
has
do
she
you
been
want?
doing for you?
She has been doing a lot to. I can't
You said,
explain.
no, I'll bring you Indomie. I'll do
Indomie?
for you.
Indomie?
Yes.
Sure. Am I Indomie teacher?
So where are you going? I'm talking to you.
Talking to me, am I Indomie teacher? You have to offer me a gorgeous. You have to offer me a big thing, hematograph thing. That will be bring the anatomy of the scientific agony. Now you are doing this. Sure. You have to provide something big, something enough, something alcoholically, metamorphically, hemoglobinally. Now you are standing here doing Indomie. How can you be passed in your class? Hey, my friend.
Say, true.
Huh?
Okay, what are you talking about? What and what?
I'm talking about the hexagonal prism, the triangular prism.
Sammy, no, I can't do it all.
You can't do the triangular prism. Then you always be last in class. Yes, of
How
course.
can you give me last in class?
So what is your offer? Tell me your offer now. You are not a child. You know everything I'm talking about.
I'll hold it and I'll play tennis ball for
You will play tennis ball for am I an old man? Even say Amos crown, you won't do tennis ball. By me, gentleman like me.
I will hold it and be holding it
No, I don't like it. I want to penetrate. I want to penetrate. Why are you doing
so
it?
let's do it. Let's do it.
So
Tomorrow is mid-sem and you have to pass me.
I have to pass you. I will pass you. Don't worry. Are you okay now? I'll pass you. So, what is the next steps?
So let's do it fast here. Here?
Here?
Hey.
Are you mad?
I said,
Here.
listen.
Here, as a
Let me
professional
get
scientist. Okay, go and check. Go and check if someone is coming or not.
Okay.
Just go and check. So these girls in my class are very cheap and I don't know. I'm going to chop.
Say, you too, your thing is big, oh.
You too, your thing is large.
Make my dam is shishing me.
Oh, me also. We are all. You hurt, I hurt.
Say, please give me first, oh.
Hey, don't worry.
Don't always
Don't
make
worry.
me last.
Don't worry, eh? Yeah. But who taught you how to do doggy?
But I have a mother and a father.
Your mother taught you how to do
I've been
doggy.
inspiring them, oh.
But you are very good, especially. That one you do this, the open leg.
The one I do like this.
Yes.
Like this.
I love that style.
I do like this. I do like this.
What say? You are
You say you don't know what I can do for you.
It's
don't know,
you know,
sir.
it was supposed to be at a hotel, but you see how you disgrace
So me, I'm doing it partial. Tomorrow, prayer, we are doing next time, and I want you to pass me. That's it.
Don't worry, eh?
Thank you.
You've passed already, eh?
It's paining me.
It will pain you. So far as you don't want to use your head and mind to learn. You want to offer me with your oh gosh. I will chop all of you in the class. So I'm now see that you are cheap.